Right. Permutation, combination and probability. Okay. This topic also I have to give more questions for you actually. Alva, ಅದು ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ 4-5 ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ I'll make and separately I'll make and do that. ಇವಾಗ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋಣ. But these questions are not sufficient. I have to make some more questions like this. ಅದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಏಜಸ್ಸು. Okay, this one, some data interpretation, better concentrate. Now, permutation, combinations and probability. Raj had 10 red, 9 white, 8 black shoe pairs. Maximum picks for red pair. Okay, see, there are 10 red pairs are there. There are 10 red pairs. 8 okay, black, 10 red, 9 white, 9 white pairs,
8 black pairs,
8 black pairs, 8 black pairs are there. Maximum picks for red pair. And how many picks are required to pick a red pair is required?
without replacement.
Without replacement, only randomly one keep picking like that. There are so many in the box. I need to pick one red pair. So how many maximum picks are possible like that? Maximum picks. Assuming that is first white only will come. Black only will come. After that red only will come. It means red pairs means there are, this is 20 is there, 20 number, and this is 18 numbers, and this is 16 numbers are there. Assuming that red will come only in the last, it means 18 plus 16 is what? 34, 35. After that what happens? Automatically, assuming that is only first we get only this only, and the maximum after completion of this, naturally red will come automatically. It means 35th pair is required. Plus 1. So 36th. So 36 picks are required. That is the thing. Okay? Right. This is a very mental ability question. Next. Two batsmen score 25 from 25 runs. Ones, fours, so sixes. How many ways are there? Total runs is required is what? 25 runs. What is the maximum possible ways? There are first we can take 6 sixes and 6 and it takes 6s and 4 you can take first. Okay, or 1 you can take. Once you can take 6 and 1s. Okay, and maximum 6s can be is what? 4 6s. Like 4 6s and 1 you can take. 24, 25. Now 3, 18. You can take 7, okay,
2
and 2, 12, 13 this is. Next you can take 1, it means 6 means there are 19 is possible. Then if you take 0 and there will be 25 singles you can take 1. And again next you can take 6 and 4s are possible. So 6 and 4s like that. 6 and 4s is what?
And sir, 1s ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ 6 4s 1s.
We separately can take that. Is ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
6 and 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 25 ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
6 and 4s ಅಲ್ಲಿ 24 is not possible, and 3 6s means 18. 18 plus 4 22, then 3 will burde beda.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು.
2, yes. So 6 fours let us not take. Take 4s and 1s. 4s and 1s you can take. Okay. Right. 3 combinations because that's too much of confusion. That is
6 fours,
6
fours,
and
ones,
1. Okay.
5 fours,
And 5
5,
and 20 means there is 5. And 4 16 and 9. And 3 12 means 13 you can take. And 2 8 it means 17. 1 and 1 means 21 you can take. Okay, that's all. Even 0 also you can.
ದಾರಿ 6 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
Zero, zero.
25 ones.
Even 0 we cannot take also. We won't include that is not there.
Now 6 fours and ones.
Yeah, 3 4 5 6. Okay, 7 8 9 10 11. So fours is
The combination of 6 and fours. And ones.
yeah, 6 and 4s you have to take.
6 fours, ones.
6 4s, if you take 6 4s once, what will happen? Because 6 4 and 1.
3 6 4 6 3 6 1 4 3 ones.
Because see, if you take all together, we can finish it up in one single only. That is, it's like that. If you take, if it is that is easier, you can take that one. 6. This is
Fours.
4s. This is 1s. Correct? 6 4s 1s. It means you can take all 6s you can take. 24. 4. 1 you can take. And 3 6s. 18. Repeat. Making one single only, that is. If you take like that. Which is easier for us. 6 4 1. Now the 18. 18 means you can take first maximum force. 18 means 1, 22.
3.
This is 3. Okay. You take 2, 12. 12 means another 12 force. 12. 12 plus 12, 24. Take 1. 1 6.
Hello sir, ಮತ್ತೆ 2 6 2 4.
Only I am talking about only 6s. Then we can come to
6s only. 2 6s. ಆಮೇಲೆ 2 4s. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಥರ.
ಎಸ್ ಬಟ್ ಅವಾಗ 4 ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ತೊಗೋಬೋದಲ್ವ ನಾವು.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ 2 1 2 ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್.
ರೈಟ್.
2 6s.
2 6s.
2 4s.
2 4s. 2 4s means you can take 2 8 20. This is 5.
5 5.
And 2 6s. 1 4 16 9. Okay. Next if you take like 2, this is 0, that is 13 has come. No
2 13.
Okay, that's okay.
Now 1
1 6 means 24 minus 6 4 4 for 60. 4 you can take.
16 plus 6.
22. Right. Okay.
1
And 1
3.
take 3. 12 18 7. Okay. And 1 take 2. It means 12 plus is 18.
Sir,
12 plus 8 is 17. 8 plus 14 11. And 1 10 alwa 10. This is a 15. 1 0 6 19. All combinations have come like that at a stretch. What is the next one?
0 6s very 4.
Yeah.
ಈ combination sir, 4s and 1s ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ.
Yeah.
ಆ combination sir.
Yes, a combination, same thing. In a one stretch, if you take like that, what is the thing that is?
Yes sir, 0 6s sir.
Yeah, 0 0. Okay. Then 6
4 6
1 1. Okay. That combination we are written.
0 5 5.
Now this is 0. Hang barbeku. 0 5 25. 0 4. What is this? Is 16 9.
0 3 13.
3, 12, 13,
0 to 17,
2, 18, 17,
0, 1,
0, 1,
21,
21. Okay.
0, 0,
0, 0, 25. All combinations have come. Finish. That's all. One stretch. And I think this is easier. This is like that.
So formula triangle.
No, no.
Like this only we should do.
Yes. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 has come.
Yeah.
Yes, that is a thing. This is good. This is wonderful. This is. It puts ourselves into confusion. This is. Right. ಯಾವ ಚೌತ್ರ ಆಗಿದೆ
Almost last ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಹೌದಾ
full last.
Yes, sir. That is a thing. Okay. Yes. Now you can see. Now selections of 10 consecutive things from 12 in a circle. Okay. This is a clockwise direction. It says what is the number of selections of 10 consecutive things? What is the number of selections of 10 consecutive things out of 12 things? Out of 12 things in a circle taken in a clockwise direction. So this is this is a circle. It says that circle. It says that 10 consecutive things out of 12 things in a circle taken in a clockwise direction. It says clockwise direction. 12 things are there. 12 things ante you can say 12, 1, 2, 3 you can take. You can take A1, you can take
1, 2, 3.
ತಗೋಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ವೈಲ್ ಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಪುಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಲೈಕ್ clock, yes, that is like you can take so A2, A3 ಎರಡು ನಾಲ್ಕು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ the 12 is required ಅಲ್ವಾ, 12 is required. It means that's we can take like this. Okay, 1 2 3 4, okay, 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, you make it like this. Okay, right, okay. A1 ಅದೇ A1 A2 A2 A3 A4 A5 A6 A7 A8 A9 A10 A11 A12. Okay, there are 12 things arranged like that. What is the number of selections of 10 consecutive selection of what number of selections of 10 consecutive things out of 12? 12 is there, taken in a clockwise direction. What is the number of selections? Number of selections, how many things will come ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. It's like that 12 things you need to select. What are the possible ways? Number of selections, how many is possible? If you take then how, where do we start like that? 12 is there, 10 consecutive things are required. How many ways are required?
ಅಂದರೆ ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತನಾ? ಇನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೇ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಲಿನೇ 10 ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬೋದು.
If you take, okay, one round only, if you take like that, if you take 10 selection, 10 consecutive things, it will come 1 2 3 like, but 10 means this is the 12 11 10, it will come here 1. So it means what, you can write A1 to A10, one selection. Okay, now if you start from A2, if you start from A2 to A11, right, A2 to A11, if you start from A3 to A12, assuming that is okay, and A3. Now if you start from A4, A4 means A1, 12 are they come, okay, and A5 to A2, this line will come. If you count, this is very difficult. A6 to A3, A7 to A4, A8 to A5, okay, A9 to A6, okay, and A10 to A7, A11 to A8, A12 to A9. I think one circle is over, no? A12, 1 to A12, one is there. We have taken all. How many attempts are there, you can say? 12 attempts. Okay, 12 attempts can be done. That is the thing. Right. Next one you can take. So Now maximum marks 100 each for PQRS. There are 4 papers are there. P, Q, R, S. RS are there. 99% achievable in n number of ways. Even I do not understand anything from that actually. This is, do you understand anything from this? Maximum marks 100 for each paper. Maximum marks are 100. This is even if you take, okay, right, let us no problem. Maximum marks 100 is there for each paper. 99% achievable in n number of ways.
100, 99. About 99%.
Yes. One is there. This is what? This is
100.
100,
100,
99,
100.
99.
Plus.
There are 4 papers now.
Then 99% ಬರುತ್ತಾ sir?
99% is achievable.
Total 99% ಬರಬೇಕು.
Yes. What is the maximum possible n number of ways you can take? All 99 also can be taken.
Then sir,
The achievable should be 99%.
ಅದೇ overall 99% ಬರಬೇಕು.
Yes.
Then if he scores each paper 99, then percentage ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ sir?
ಹೌದು. So 99% ways, but actually see the option 16, 17, 23, 35 is there. I think permutation combinations you need to do. You cannot write like this.
Sir, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ number of ways.
Alva? So that is the thing. Scored by the maximum marks for each of the 4 papers named PQRS are 100. Marks scored by the student are in integers. A student can score 99% in n different ways. What is the value of n? Then how to take this is? We have to take in factorial only because numbers are quite big. Numbers are quite big. We have to check this. I really do not understand what exactly this is.
Sir, which means total we should achieve 396 marks out of 400.
99 means 99 into 4 papers. 396 should be achievable. But total marks is what? 400. So
how many
it
ways
should be
achieve 396?
396 out of 400. How many ways it can be achieved?
100, 100, ಒಂದೇ ಪೇಪರ್ 4 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು one way. Next 100, 99, 99.
But see that how can you write like so many? Alva? There must be some method.
Formula ಇದೆ.
Yes, that permutation combination formula is there. But you cannot write so many. But by seeing the options also, 16, 17, 23, 35, so you cannot write so many like that. The total marks given is 400, achievable should be 390. So what are the ways we can do that is? Even if we take like 4 factorial by, even you cannot take like that. so lengthy we cannot do that is. What is a n base is liquid. In difference. Okay, keep this question aside, let us see that. Next, a flag has to be designed with the four horizontal stripes using sum of all the colors and red, green, yellow. What is the number of different ways in which this can be done so that the no two adjacent stripes have the same color? Even I have to see some this chapter actually. I'm poor at this chapter. A flag has to be designed with four horizontal stripes.
So let's do tomorrow.
Yeah.
Next.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವತ್ತಾದ್ರೂ ನೋಡೋಣ ಅದನ್ನು.
Monday madam.
And one consonant from English alphabet, something like that.
Prime number. 30 questions.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ. ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು. ವೈ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ರೈಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಓಕೆ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್. I think it looks like something different. Right, I got. Other Hindi chapter. A permutation combination Hindi chapter. Okay. Percentage. The price P of a commodity is first increased by K%. First increased by K%, then decreased by K%, again increased by K%, again decreased by K%. The new price is Q. Then what is the relation between P and Q? Okay. And it says what this is here. The first price is what? P. This is the price. Okay. And increased by K%. It means this is 100% plus K%. Normally we write. And decreased by into decreased by K%. It means 100 minus K% we write, isn't it? Again one more same time, 100% plus K%. Okay. And again decrease by same thing like 100% minus K% like that. Then the price is, the new price is Q. This is the what is set in the question. We know already this is, we discussed in the earlier chapter like that. Right. Naturally the price will come down, but options are little vary like the same pattern you have to see that is. And after options, which option do you choose like this you can take. But options if you see, look at here, all these like 10 to the power of 4, 10 to the power of 4, 10 to the power of 8, 10 to the power of 4, 10 to the power of 4, 10 to the power of 4, 10. All you should convert into the power. Okay. Then how do you convert like that is? K% you can say separately only, but 10 you can take. So what is thing that is, this is the price, okay, into 100 means you can say what is that 100% means, you can take how much you can take?
2, 10 power 2.
10 to the power of 2, right. And plus K%, plus K, like k, like k percent we write. Again, this is a 1. But there are 2 types here you can take.
So a plus b into a minus b.
No. If it's not possible, no?
Also, sir, ಅದು a minus b whole square form ಇದೆ.
Now.
So here a plus b.
But 10 to the power of 4 is there.
ಅದೇ ಸರ್ ಇವಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟು 10 power.
Okay, do.
10 power 2 minus
yes.
k square.
Because see that 100% k percent, 100% k percent twice is there.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 100%
Minus k and minus k is there.
ಅದೇ ಅದು ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್ 10 power cube.
1 minute. So this is 10 square minus
k percent
whole square. Okay, right. What you are trying to say that? Right. What's the next one?
a plus b into a minus b form
a plus b
a square minus b square.
a square plus 2ab a plus b whole square. What do you do that?
Sir, answer ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Right. Okay.
ಇದು 10 square
a minus b whole square.
a plus b into a minus b ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್.
Yes.
So, a square minus b square.
a square minus b square
whole square. Right.
plus 2ab.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ a plus b into a minus b ಫಾರ್ಮ್. a square minus b square.
That's what I meant. a square minus b square. Correct? That is a plus b into a minus b.
So 10 power
a plus b into a minus b. Right.
Now 10 to the power of 2.
Now here you can take 10 to the power of 2
into whole ಅಂದರೆ ಸರ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಹಾಕಿ
ಹೋಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಸರ್ 10 power 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಹಾಕಿ.
ರೈಟ್.
ಮೈನಸ್ k square k percent.
k percent.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಸರ್.
Yes.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಸರ್.
Right.
So 10 power 4.
10 to the power of
4.
10 to the power of 4 minus
k to k square.
k to the power of 4.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ k to the power 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಬರಲ್ಲ k square k square whole to the power square.
Right.
So p into half amount ಇದೆ.
p into
10 to the power of 4.
10 to the power of 4 minus
k square
k square
whole square.
full ಅಲ್ವಾ?
p ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸರ್ ಈ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ನ 10 to the power 4 ಗೆ ಸರ್ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ನ 10 power 4 ಗೆ. So 100% means 100 by 100.
Now we have to see what is that we have to see here. I'll tell you.
Sir,
First you need to observe here, cut it here. Okay. Okay. Just see the option. It means equals to this. You have to convert everything to the 10 to the power of thing, that is.
ಅದೇ ಸರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. q into 10 power
reverse. Normally we take the reverse, that is. We take the reverse. Percentages how we do like that. I will write is
100% means 100 by 100.
I'll tell you say that. See, now p, okay, like p plus k percent, p by plus k percent, right? And what is given like that? Commodities increase by k percent, okay, into, okay, and negative we can take. No, even is right, confusion, that is. this is P plus K percent into P minus K percent into one more time P plus K percent
One more time.
into, normally we write like this, equals to Q. This value is equal to this value. Like LHS equal to RHS, that's what is there. See, Q value, this is the P value. That's what, left hand side value and the right hand side values. That is the thing. Pattern is this, options. Okay. And like P, let us P is equated with 100%. 100%. K can keep it aside also.
Actually, equation is sir. If it is increased and decreased by 7%,
X squared by 100 is a loss.
it's a loss.
Loss.
Again,
That is not applicable here. Other profit and loss, then it's not like that. Equated values. LHS equal to RHS. Whatever the value right here, it will come like this one. Any value equal. If you take, for example, one small question, you can take. Let us take let us take 10, easy number. Okay. 10 into like 2% into 3% into 4%
sir,
equals to Q.
which means price is initially 10 now. Sir,
Any number you take, like any number. Okay, according to the question you can take.
Initial price is 10 now.
One,
Increased by
or you can
2%.
take 110%. 110% increased.
Initial price is 10 rupees.
10, 100, 25, 40, any number you take. And I take 10 because easy one. That's what.
Now we have taken initial price is 10 rupees.
10.
Now it is increased by 10%.
10%.
Now decreased by 10%.
Now then by question if you see like that also, like that.
Into
Again 10% increase. 110 by 100. Again is a 10% decreased. Right. But of course 10% is not inside Q value, K value. Right. It means what? P, this is the this value, this P. Like that. And this is the Q value. Now we can take
ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ P ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬಾರದು ಸರ್.
Okay.
100 plus K ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್. ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ equation ಅಲ್ಲಿ
No, I am showing only one example. LHS equal to RHS.
ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ equation ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 100 plus K ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್.
This is did you understand this? LHS equal to RHS. If you like, Q into 100 into 100 is equal to 10 into 110 into 90 into 110 into 90. That's right. That is what I will do.
So ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ P plus K ಬೇಡ ಸರ್. 100 plus K ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ ಸರ್.
Okay, you can write that is. This is the P value.
P into.
This is the P into
100 plus K.
100 plus K
by 100
percent. Okay.
Into 100 minus K by 100 into
once again that is 100 plus K by 100 into repeating 100 minus K by 100. That's
ಇವಾಗ ಇಷ್ಟು 100 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ,
this is equals to Q.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇರೋ 100 ನೆಲ್ಲ Q ಕಳಿಸೋಣ ಸರ್.
Yeah.
So 10 power 8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Now if we take like that, what is the there are 8 zeros will come. 8 zeros will come.
Q into 10 power 8.
It means you can take Q equals Q into
10 power 8.
Q into 10 to the power of 8.
ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ P into
Now P into
100 plus K.
Illi so it will come like that. No? How many it will come? Here also you can take 8 zeros, you can take straight away. Or you can take 10 square plus K. Okay. Into.
So 10 square plus K whole square ಹಾಕಿ ಸರ್ ಈಗ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅದೇ ಹಂಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. 10 square plus K whole square into 10 square minus K whole square.
Right.
So now A plus B into A minus B. ಇವಾಗ A square P into
This is q. Yes. Equals
q into 10 power 8.
q into 10 to the power of 8. This is done.
Now a square,
Okay.
a plus b into a minus b, p into
O square, a square, yes.
ಅದೇ ಸರ್ a plus b into a minus b ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು.
10 to the power, q into 10 to the power of 8, this is possible. This is not possible, and this is possible. This is not. Between a and D, either a or
Option A, sir.
right. That is the, now we can shortlist. Already 2 is out. Now, but we have to see the options now.
The option
Like k square, like
Sir, ಅದೇ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್ ಇದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ p into
p into, yes, p
into 10 square
10 square
whole square 10 square whole square minus k square whole to the power ಎಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ಹೋಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಫುಲ್ ಹೋಲ್ಗೆ
right.
equals to
Equals already is there.
q into 10 power 8.
10 to the power, that is q into 10 to the power of 8.
Now 10 power 4 minus k square. Option A.
Now one last step we can take, p into 10 to the power of 4
minus k square
whole
square equals
same.
q
This
into
is
10 power 8.
10 to the power of 8.
q into sir equals sir.
Sorry, q into we can take. Now 10 to the
Option A.
power of 4 minus k square q. Option A is the right one. So this 10 minus is there. 10 to the power of 4 minus k square into k to the power. Which is option D is also looks same, no?
whole square
Minus.
DL.
Right, that is that. Okay. Yes, sir. Because this is not. We can go ahead with this. Okay. Yeah, that is the thing. Yeah. Yes, next. I think this already we have done this type of questions, no? I think 2 years old question. P's salary is 20% lower than Q's, Q's 20% lower than R's, R's more than B by how much? I think we have done a lot of questions like this in the previous sessions, that is P's salary, Q's salary, R's salary. P's salary is
300 rupees.
P's salary is 20% lower than the Q's salary, which is 20% lower than the R salary, which is 20% lower than the right. Okay. P, Q, R. There are 3 people you can take. P, Q, and R. Right. P salary 20% lower than Q salary. Q salary is 20% lower than the R salary. Let R salary can be 100. 20% lower, it is 80. 20% lower means what is that?
Sir, 100 P ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಸರ್. 100 P ಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು.
P salary is 20% lower than Q salary. Then how do you take?
20% less of 80 to 25.
Yeah. Like 16. 16 means what? 64. Right. Now R more than P by R more than P. Okay. So what is the R is more than P? 100 minus 64. Like how much it is? 36 by like 64 into percentage. Right. By percentage you are asking, that is. And what is this is 16. 900 by 16. Short with 2. There are 2 options are there. Okay. 96 40 like something. 40. This option D. Okay, this is a very ordinary question. Leave it.
One doubt. If 64 means 36% times ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ.
No, see, what you can write, there are 3 people are there.
R more than P.
There are
Sir,
3
iವಾಗ
people
question
are there, you can take like that.
What percent is P less than R ಅಂದರೆ 36% sir?
What less than?
What percent P is less than R?
Less than R. R is more actually here.
Sir.
Less than 36 by 100.
So 36% less than ಇದೆ.
Yes.
P is 36% less than R.
ಯಾವುದು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಯಾವುದು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರಿಗೆ ಪಿ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ 64, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ 100. ಆರ್ ಪಿಗಿಂತ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ? 64ಕ್ಕೆ 100 ಇದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ? 36 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. 36 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ? ಈ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಅದೇ ಸರ್, ಆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅದು ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದು ಇವಾಗ ಪಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ,
ಎಸ್, ಆರ್ಗಿಂತ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ 36 ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದೆ.
36%
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ? 100 - 64 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 36 by 100. 36%. It's like that. Okay. Yes. Next one. This is one. A number mistakenly divided by 4 instead of multiplying by 4. What is the percentage change in the result of the? Okay. Already we have done this type of questions in a percentage, na? 4 number divided by 4 instead of into 4. Into 4 ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 4 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ರೈಟ್, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ 100 ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಥವಾ 10 ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. 100 × 4 ಇದು ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪ್ನಿಂಗ್ ನಾವು? ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 4, 100 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 4 ಆಗಿದೆ, ಆದರೆ 25 ಆಯಿತು. ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 375 ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಯಿತು. 375 by 100. So like
375 by 400.
375. Okay. Percentage change ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. 375 by 400 multiplied by 100. 4 and ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? This is 375 by 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 4 9 36, 4 3 12, ಸೊ 93.75, 93.7. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ. A number mistakenly divided by 4 instead of multiplying by 4. What is the percentage change resultant due to this mistake? That is the thing. Even if you take 10 also, you will get like that. If you take 10 or 4, so it should be 40. But what happened? Divided by yes, that's right, 2.5. Even if you take 2.5,
37.5.
Like change in the number is what? 37.5 out of 40 into 100. Like that. You can take, you will get. Even if you take like that, 375 by 400 into 100, again you will end up in the same number. Like that is it. We take only like 100 like that, easy and fast. Right. Next you can take right. Yes, next you can take, what is the next one you can take? In an examination, 80% student passed in English, 70% passed in Hindi, 15% student failed in both the subject. What is the percentage change of students who failed in only one subject? Right, in an exam, 80% student passed in examination, but ಅಲ್ಲಿ pass ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. The total students is what? 100%. So pass students is what? 80%.
In English.
Then 80% pass in English, that's separate. And 50% fail in both. Percentage fail only one subject ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Then how do you take now? 80% student passed in English, 70% student passed in Hindi, and 25% failed in both the subjects.
So you are 20% failed in English.
Yes.
Plus 30% failed in Hindi.
ಈಗ ಪಾಸ್
35%.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ 80 ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸೊ 80% ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಫೇಲ್ಡ್ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ
20.
ಫೇಲ್ಡ್ ಬಂದು 20% ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? 70% ಹಿಂದಿ 70%. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 30%.
Total
15% fail both. Okay.
50% failed. 15 minus 15.
15% fail both subject.
ಅದೇ ಸರ್ 50% ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಈಗ ನಾವು ವೆನ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ರೈಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್
ಫೇಲ್ಡ್
ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂದಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್. ಫೇಲ್ಡ್ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಫೇಲ್ಡ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್?
ಸರ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷು 20 minus
15% both fail. 15 you can take. This is 20%. 20 ನಲ್ಲಿ 15 already is there, 5. And like ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು 30 ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇದು 15 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ.
15 plus 5 20%.
ಆವಾಗ 20% is the answer. That is the answer. Like that. So single 5% plus 15%. 20%. Right, that's all. Right, next you can take. What percent of water must be mixed with honey so as to gain 20% by selling the mixture at the cost price of honey? First, notice section we can answer this is percent of water mixed with honey to gain 20% selling at cost price. So I buy a product, I sell it cost to cost, but still I want to make 20% profit. So much of water I will mix. It means what? 20%. Right, that is the thing. Next, a person buys 3 articles P, Q, R for rupees so much. P cost 25% more than R cost 20% more than Q. What is the cost of P? Again, same type questions. And that P plus Q plus R is what? 330 rupees. Now P, what is it now? P cost 25% more than R. P cost 25% more than R. It means 125% of R. Mattonu nodona. More than R. R cost 20% more than Q. Right. That is. Let us take this one numbers 100. If we take 100 numbers, if you keep directly, I think ratios convert ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. R cost 20% more than Q. R cost 20% more than means this is 120. This is 25% more. 25% means what? Half of this what? 60. 60 off is 30. So 150. Then you can take, if write x values and everything, it takes more. And now we can say 150 is to 1 is to like that. You can convert into x values. It means like 0, 0, 0 cancel. Like, but 15 is to 10 is to 12. Okay. Now 25, 27, 37. 37x is equals to 3330. And x value is what? 3330 by 37. Yes. So 37 multiples of, we already know 37. 9 sevens are 63. It is 9. X value is what? 9. Now we can answer the question. What is the cost of P? What is the cost of P? P is what? P is 15. It means
15 into 9.
Like what is that is cost? X value is 9 alva. What is the cost of P? 20 like 15
into 9.
out of out of total ratios. Total ratios is what? 37 into what is the money? It's like, it's a question mark. So we will get 9 into
15 into 9.
15 into 9 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 135. 135, 1 0 you have to put like that. 135 and 1 0. So this is like that. Option is what? D.
ಸರ್ ಇವಾಗ x ತಗೋತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 100 ಬದಲು ಅವಾಗ r ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
Like x value is 90, you can take it. What is the thing?
ಸರ್ ಇವಾಗ p 100 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ,
Yes.
ಇವಾಗ p ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ x ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ
ಇಲ್ಲ, q is taken 100.
ಸರ್ ಅದೇ ಸರ್ q 100 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ, ಲೈಕ್ q ಗೆ x ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ r ಅವಾಗ 120x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
But compared with what ಅಂತ? Compared with what? P is costlier than R ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್.
ದೆನ್ ಅವಾಗ ಹೆಂಗೆ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು ಅವಾಗ? P is costlier than R. It means P costlier than R. Right. R is 120% of Q. It means R is costlier than Q ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಅವಾಗ P greater than R, like greater than Q ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಅದೇ ಸರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ನಾನು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಅದೇ ವಾಟ್
is considered as x rupees.
Okay, Q is considered x rupees. Okay. This is x rupees.
Then r becomes what, sir?
Then see that 120% of Q,
So
then 120% of x. 120x. 120x this is 120x ಅಂತ. 120% of x. This is the x. Q equals to x. R equals to 120% of x. P equals to 125% of 125% of or 125% of R. This is given in the question. That is, by seeing the question you can write the equations like that. By writing you can equation like that. The total value is given, that is it. ಈ ಥರ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? we need to convert into the ratios only. What is right?
Sir, then the equation will be 125 into x. 125 by 100 into x.
If you write like that, all put like that, 125
into 100.
125%
into x.
of
x.
R
That is correct.
plus
R.
R ತಗೋಬೇಕಲ್ವ? Then what is the R value then?
R is 120 into 120 by 100 into x.
You have to put all into again you convert into ratios, no? That's why you take 100, that is a VC, that is no, it is possible but it takes longer time, that's all. If you convert into the numbers, that will be easy, that's all. Right, next. What is the next one you can take? A person, that's over. The increase in the price of a certain item was 25%, then the price was decreased by 20% and then again increased by 10%. What is the resultant increase in the price? Okay. So then you can take 100, you can take as a number. 100 into, then increase by 20% for 25% by 125%, then decrease by 80%, 80%, again increase by 10%, 110%, then you will get what? So that is, you have to see the resultant number, what will happen number. Like 25 5s are 25 4, 24 25, 11 by 10, okay, like you can take this one gets cancelled, this cancelled, and 10 is 10, so 110, 110. What is the 10%? 110 minus 100. So 10 you can take option, like that you can take. Right, what is the option? B. Right, next two candidates X and Y contested an election. 80% of votes cast their vote and there were no invalid votes. There was no nota, none of the above option. X got 56% of the votes cast and won by 1,440 vote. What is the total number of voters in the voters list? Okay, one is that is there is no invalid votes, there is no nota, but everybody has exercised their franchise. X and Y contest, 80% of voters cast vote and there were no invalid vote. Total votes can be 100%. Okay, and the cost is 80%, right? And X got 56% of the votes cast and won by 1,440 votes. So X, he got 56%
of 80.
Of 80%, right? Or you can take 80 only. You can take,
equals to 1440.
No, Y. Then Y got how much?
80
Like
minus 56.
80 minus 56 alone. Cost vote is equal to 100% of the you have to take.
Out of 100, 80 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬಕ್ಕ.
No. ಕಾಸ್ಟಲ್ ವೋಟ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 100% ಅಂತ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಪೋಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 56 ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಗಾಟ್ 44% ಆಫ್ 80 ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅವಾಗ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್. The difference in what? 12%. 12% is equal to 1,440. Now it means 12 is 120. So it means what are the votes?
12,000
like
percent akade kodu.
See now 12% difference in percentage is what? 12%. 12% is equals to how much it is here? 1,440. 1,440. And now like right. So 1%. 1% is equals to 120. It means 12,000 it will come.
Total.
This is 80, not total. This is 12,000. What is the total votes? This is equals to 80%. Then 12,000 equals 12,000 divided by 80 into 100 you will get total. And 0 cancel. 2 zeros, 15,000 votes. Right, that is it. ನೀವು ಆ ಥರ ಹಾಕ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಹೇಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂತೀರ ಆವಾಗ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಗಾಟ್ 56%. 56% ಆಫ್ ಪೋಲ್ಡ್ ವೋಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 80% ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಇದು ಟೋಟಲ್ ವೋಟ್ಸ್. Another person, this is the X, this Y ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 44% ಆಫ್ 80% ಆಫ್ X. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ತೊಗೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲೈಕ್ This is very lengthy, that is why you can finish it. Difference is what? You can take difference. ಹಾಗೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 56% ಆಫ್ 80 ಅಂತ 56%
ಪೋಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು 80 ವೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 56% ಈಗ
20% ಏನು ಸರ್?
ಹಾಂ, ಪೋಲ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು.
ಅಂದರೆ ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು.
ಹಾಂ, ಪೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ವೋಟ್ಸು 100 ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನಮಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 100 ವೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಟೋಟಲ್ ವೋಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ 100. ಹಾಂ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೋಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು, ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು 80 ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 80ಲ್ಲಿ 56% ಅವನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ 56% ಆಫ್ 80. ಹಾಂ, ಆವಾಗ 56% ಆಫ್ 80 ಅಂದರೆ 56% ಇಂಟು 80 ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 0 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 0 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 56 ಇಂಟು 8 56 ಸಾರಿ
56/80 into 100.
8 6 48 40 44 like
ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ 56/80 into 100. 56/80 into 100
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜು ಅದು ಓಕೆ. ಅವನು 56 ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 56 ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವೋಟ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ. ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫೆಲೋ? ರೈಟ್, 56% ಈ ಗಾಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 80 ವೋಟ್ಸ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಮಗೆ 80 ವೋಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ವೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕ್. ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಬಂದುಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಇದೆಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದು, ವಿ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ 100 ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ 150 ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 150 ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ರಿ, ಅದೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ, ನಂಬರು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಲೈಕ್ ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ 100%. ಪೋಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು 80%. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪೋಲ್ಡ್ ವೋಟ್ಸ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ವೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ 56% ಆಫ್ 80% ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ವೋಟ್ಸ್. ವೈ ಈಸ್ 44% ಆಫ್ 80% ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೋಟ್ಸ್. ಮತ್ತು ಹಿಂಗೆ ತೊಗೋತೀರ ಅವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್. ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟೂ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್? 1440 ವೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದೀಸ್ ವೋಟ್ಸ್, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ವೋಟ್ಸ್ 1440 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಹಾಂ, ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 12%. 12% ಆಫ್ 80% ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 1440. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ 12/100 ಇಂಟು 80/100 ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 1440. ಅವಾಗೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಈ 0 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಡೋಣ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ 1440 1440. How many zeros are there? 1 2 3 divided by 96. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ? ಸೋ ಬಿಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್. 424 4 3s 12 4 6 24. Next 12 2s 12 3s. ಓಕೆ, ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 3. ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಜೀರೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್? 1 2 3 divided by 2, you will get to 15,000 votes. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಅವಾಗೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಗಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವೈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್. ಅವಾಗ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್. Difference in the 1440, but difference in the percentage 12%. 12% of 80% of x is equals to 1440. This is given. Because we don't know this, you have to try this one. 1440 is given. Difference is known now. So y got 56, x got 56% and the remaining y ಅಂತ. Total, this is equal to total 56 100% ಬರಬೇಕು 12%. Then if it thus the equation, this is the calculation. You will get the total votes. Right. Next one. What is the next one you can say? When 70% of a number x is added to another number x plus y is 70% of a number x is added to another number y y, the sum becomes 165% of the value of y. Then what is the x? Okay, percentage related, but equation ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, you can take it. ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರ ಅದನ್ನ? ಹಾಂ,
70%
equation already it is equation already it is 70% of x
plus y
70% of x
plus y
plus y equals 165% of y ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, and 60% of x plus z, 60% of x plus z, correct? 165% of z. That's what is the order ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದೆ. Both are compared with the x only, plus y plus z.
So z is ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಅಂತ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ because x value same ಇದೆ, x value same ಇದೆ and 165 same ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 70% ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 60% ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು.
Which is highest value?
Z is highest value.
What is the, see the equations, options? Z is there. There are two options between A and D. Yes, Z is the highest value. Z can be the highest value. Next, between y and x you have to see that. ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ, ನೋ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್. ಆಫ್ ವೈ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ವೈ, now between x and y you have to say. Okay, y value you can take 100 alva. Y value can be taken as 100. ಮೇಲಿಂದು 70% x plus y is equal to ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, you take y value can be 100 ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. y value can be 100 ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. y value 100 ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 100 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಸರ್ y 100 ಹಾಕಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು 165% ಆಫ್ y ಅಂದರೆ ಹಾಂ ಸರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಸರ್.
ಎಕ್ಸ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ಒನ್, ವೈ ಇಸ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಜೆಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎನಾ ಡಿನ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಷ್ಟೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಜೆಡ್ ಕೆನ್ ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೋ, ಸಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಇದೆ, ಜೆಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ, ಜೆಡ್ ವೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಜೆಡ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಹಾಂ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸರ್ ದೆನ್ ವೈ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್. ಹಾಂ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೈ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಂ, ಲೆಟ್ ವೈ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಟೇಕನ್ ಎಸ್ 100. ಓಕೆ,
165% ಆಫ್ ವೈ ಅಂತ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್?
165 ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು
165 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 100.
ಹಾಂ,
265 ಆಗೋದು.
ಹಾಂ,
ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 265 ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ
ನೋ 165% ಆಫ್ 100 ಅಂತಂದರೆ 165 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 100% ಇಸ್ ವೈ, 65% ಮೋರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. The y value is 100, another value is 165, that's 165 ಅಂತ. If the y value is taken 100, so the y value is 165 ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Whatever the value it can take.
ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ y ಏ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಸರ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ y ಏ ದೊಡ್ಡದು. ಬಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್.
ಡಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಡಿ ಇಸ್
ಬಿ.
ಹಾಂ,
ಬಿ
ಡಿ ಇಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್.
ಬಿ
ಬಿ ಬಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಿ ಜೆಡ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಲಾರ್ಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ಜೆಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ?
ಅದೇ ಸರ್, ಜೆಡ್
ಲಾರ್ಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜೆಡ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಅಂತಲೇ ಇದೆ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೂಸ್ ಎ ಆರ್ ಡಿ. ನೌ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೂಸ್ ಎ ಆರ್ ಡಿ.
ಜೆಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಲಾರ್ಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ತಾನೆ ಸರ್?
ಹೌದು,
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಸರ್.
ಜೆಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಲಾರ್ಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಜೆಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಓಕೆ. ಜೆಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಲೆಸರ್ ದೆನ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ಯಾವುದೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಬಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಹಾಂ, ಬಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅದು.
ಜೆಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಲಾರ್ಜೆಸ್ಟ್.
ಹಾಂ, ಜೆಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಾರ್ಜೆಸ್ಟ್.
ಸೊ ಬಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್.
ಹಾಂ, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಜೆಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಲೈಕ್ 9, ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ? ಬಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೀ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಜೆಡ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ವೈ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಜೆಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. By seeing it, how say that is, because that's the answer key is provided already, that is, because the old question this is. ಅಥವಾ ನಾನು ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಎರರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ದಟ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಔಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫೈ ದಿಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್? ಇದಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಹಾಂ, ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಹಾಂ, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಸ್ ಡನ್ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಲೆಟ್ ಬೋತ್ let p and k be prime numbers such that let both p and k be prime numbers. P is also prime number, k is also a prime number, such that p square plus k is also a prime number less than 30. All are prime numbers only. P is a prime number, k is also a prime number, p square plus k is also a prime number
less than 30.
Prime number less than 30. Less than 30, what are the prime numbers are possible? You have to see that.
So
2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. These are the prime. Less than 30. Right. These are the prime numbers. What is the value of k? Okay, the square is there. What is the if you take 2 square, k is also a prime number. If you take p 2 square 4 but distinct prime numbers ಅಂತ ಏನು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿ p k prime p square p is prime less than possible values of what is the possible values of k. Okay, what are the possible values of k ಅವಾಗ 2 square 4 plus 3 7
option in
okay. Possible values of k, how many values are possible ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. If you take p is a 2 like 2 square plus 3 okay, 2 square plus 3 means this is 7, this is one value, and 3 square plus 3 square plus 4 3 square plus 5 3 square 9 plus 5 14 no, and take many values we have to take like that. Okay, first we can start with only 2, we will know 2 square 4 no, 4 plus 2 6 beta 3 7 that's okay. 2 square plus 5 2 square plus 5 k value you can check. Possible values of k ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. 5 means you can say 9 no, ಆಮೇಲೆ it takes 7 11 2 square plus 7 11 is a prime number.
Sir,
2 square plus 5 9 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ you can say 2 square plus 11 4 plus 11 15 no, ಆಮೇಲೆ if you take 13 plus 4 17 2 square plus what is this is 13 is 17 okay. ಆಮೇಲೆ next you can take 17 plus 4 21 leave it, and 19 2 square plus 19 23 okay, and 21 23 plus 4 27 no, 29 okay, less than 30 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. let's 2 is again this other 2 ನಿಂದ is possibility. 3 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ if you take 3 square what is 9 plus if a k value can be taken 2 11 you can take, and 9 plus 3 12 9 plus ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ because this is a composite number plus odd number ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. odd number plus any odd number 2 ಒಂದು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ odd number plus odd number even number ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. so there is no possibility like that. if you take 3 square plus 3 ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 9 plus 3 12
odd plus odd even
odd plus odd even ಬರುತ್ತೆ, except this one odd ಎರಡು odd number ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ all becomes odd even numbers ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, it won't be any prime number. and if you take next 5 ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ 5 ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 5 square 25 plus 2 27 or 28 there is no possibility. if you take 7 you cannot take it all. so these are the possible values are what 5 values. this is
B
option B like that is the thing okay. and next one p q r primes less than 20 p minus q equals to q minus r distinct values of p q r p plus q plus r what is that is p q r primes less than 20 primes less than 20 is what 2 3 5 7 11 13 17 19 less than 20 okay, these are the prime number 2 3 5 7 11 37 9 that's all. P minus q equation is what p minus q equals to q minus r. this is the equation. it means difference between p and q and q and r same correct equals ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ difference between p and q and r same, it is in the progression. it's like that. for example if you take this is 3 ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ some other
3 minus 5 7 minus
7 minus 3 or 7 minus yes, difference
3
is same.
minus 5
Okay, now
equals to
difference is same. P
5
minus
minus
r. Okay, you take whatever maybe. Now we can take whatever the values can be taken. P
Sir, P
less than
has
10
seven
P
plus
is, I mean it is possible also. P plus P plus R. Yes.
Sir, P na 7th order.
Now P ನ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ತಗೋಬೇಕು.
7th order.
If you take 7, okay.
Minus 5
minus 5
equals 5 minus 3.
5 minus 3 one value.
ಅಷ್ಟು ಸರ್ ಅದೊಂದೇ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್.
ಬೇರೆನೂ ಬರ್ಬೋದಲ್ವಾ, ಬಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ.
ಇಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Slightly tricky, because the options are also there, 4, 5, 6, more than 6. Definitely it is possible.
Distance values of P plus 2 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3.
Distance values are 7, 5, 3. Okay. Difference may be, don't see the minus value or plus value like that. You can take slightly, you have to see that is take consumes more time. Like 7 ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು you have taken 753 ಅಲ್ವಾ, 753 we have taken.
7 minus 7 equals
11 minus 7
equals 7 minus 3.
7 minus 3, that's the thing. ಹಂಗೆ 11 minus 5, 6. It's not possible. 11 minus 3 is 8. Slightly this is tricky.
Sir, 17 minus 11 equals 11 minus
17 minus
11.
11, that is a 6.
11 minus 5.
11 minus 5, yes. Little tricky one. Okay. What is the other thing? But still, how best we can solve it in easier manner?
Sir, 19 minus 11 equals
19 minus, this is a possibility I believe. 8.
11 minus 3.
11 minus 3. Okay. If you start with
4 possible.
if you start with a higher number, is easy, that is. Alva? If you start with a higher number. If you take higher numbers, I will tell you that is. If you keep the higher numbers, start with higher number. 19, if you take 17 minus 13, difference will go so. 19 minus 17 cannot be taken, right. 19 minus 13, 19 minus 13,
4 plus 2, 5.
6, difference is 6. And yes, this is possible. 3 is equals to 13 minus 7. Okay, that will qualify. I am telling you, easy way. And 19 minus, this is done, this is done. 19 minus 11, 8. 19 minus 11 is 8. 11 minus 3 can be taken. It means till here. 19 minus 7, 12. No chance. Stop there. Start with 17. 17 minus 13, 4. 4 means, I think this is 6 will come. 17 minus 13 is 4 means 13 minus 4. 13 minus 11 2, 13 minus 7, 6, 8, it goes up. There is no possibility for 17. 13 you can take. 13, 11, 2, 11 minus, no, 13 minus 7, 6. 13 minus 7 is 6, no chance. If you take 11 minus 7, 4. This I think you can take. 11 minus 7, 4. It means 7 minus 3 is the 4. And again, what is 7 plus 7 minus 5, 2. It can be taken. 7 minus 5 is 2. 5 minus 3 can be taken. Huh? And I think it stops there. Oh, the only 4 such possibilities. If you take 5 plus 3, 2, no. So, I think we have done all this. This is where you start with the larger numbers, that will be easy. Start with the larger numbers. And how to solve the approaching method is what? 19 minus 7, 2. If you take 13, if it goes up, something like goes up. Okay, sadhya illa. 19 is no possibility. There is one. 19 minus 13 is 6. 6 is possible, right? 19 minus 11 is 8.
17 minus 11 Bhatila.
17 minus 11 is 6. Yeah, correct. I don't know, 17 minus 11 is 6. It is possible. 17 minus 11 is 17 minus
11 6.
11 is 8.
6 sir.
17 minus
11 6.
Okay.
11 minus 5 6.
6 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 11 minus 5. This can be done. One more is possible ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. 17 minus 3 ಅಷ್ಟೇ. 7 that's all 5. It's not 5 you can take. Nice, carefully what to do that is. Right. I think we have done this question ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. Consider the following in respect of prime number p and composite number c. Right. Can be even, can be even, can be odd. Some possibilities is possible ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. P plus c. Already we have done ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ನನಗಿದು. P plus c by p minus c is what? Even.
Can be even.
Can be even. It means any possibility. It's not. It's like property type. Any some possibility. 2p plus c. 2p plus c. Already we have done ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ನನಗಿದೆ. 2p plus c can be odd. This is can be even. Can be even and can be odd. Okay. PC can be odd. PC can be odd like that. Okay. Now first let us see that this is a statement 1, statement 2 and statement 3. Right. P means prime number, C means combination. Is a given. If you see 2 plus 4 6. 2 plus 4 6. Then 2 minus 4 minus 2. 6 by
Minus
2.
Minus 3.
4. Can be even, you can say, no?
A negative tegada.
Okay, no problem. Doesn't matter that is okay. And thing. Yeah, you can take any number of also choice. Prime number you can take a bigger number like that. Prime number you can take a bigger number, and composite number can be taken odd number, that becomes even then. It's a prime number. 2, don't take 2 here. Take any prime number, bigger number you can take.
7.
7 you can take. 7 plus some composite number you can take 6, 13. This even is required.
4 at all.
No, 9 you can take. Composite number 9 by like 7 minus c 2. This is what? 16 by.
So ಇದು minus 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 2 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ. Okay, that's minus 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Even that's okay. You can change that thing number. Or prime numbers you can take.
So 17 plus 9 ಕಾಲಿ ಸರ್. 17 plus 9.
Yes, you can take any number you can take. Number 17 plus 9 by 17 minus 9. You can take this is 26 by 8. So naturally even number. Okay, that's possible. Right, next if you take 2p, any prime number, multiples of prime number, that becomes what?
Sir, decimal even number ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
26 by 8 ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ನ ಇವನ್ ನಂಬರ್. If
So
it starts by and the 2 point something
like that, but you have to change other numbers. If it is a confusion like that, you have to change the other numbers like that. That's why you can take minus value, there's no problem. That is divisible by or not. You can change the numbers like that. What is the numbers you can change there? 19 you can take plus or you can take 11 you can take by 30. 19 by you can see so is even but everything it will come like that only. 30 if you take what is that is 8 30 again it decimal only will start like that. If you take 30 19 minus 11 is what
8
19 minus sorry 19 plus 3 by 19 minus 3 it
Sir,
means
3 no prime number
22 composite number alva you take composite number 4 odd number ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು 23 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಫಾರ್ ಡಿವೈಸ್ 19 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 9 ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 9 19 minus 9 it means 28 by 10 ಅಂತಲೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ like that we can't do all will come like that only but still
then can you conclude sir even
can be even but see that's why I am telling ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ you can take ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಮೈನಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇಕ್ ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ when minus or plus or don't see that's all that's all 2p plus and any prime number multiplied by 2 is an even number only if you take like that like 2 into 2 4 2 into 3 6 2 into 5 10 2 into 11 22 is a that composite number ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ even number ಆಗುತ್ತೆ even plus composite number can be odd number or even number also ಬಟ್ ಈವನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಈವನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ವಾ ಲೈಕ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ 2 into 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 7 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಸಾರಿ 9 ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ 9 13 ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ 13 ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಓಕೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪಿ ಸಿ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂಟು ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈಕ್ 2 into 3 if you see prime number 2 composite number 9 ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಆಡ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 3 into 9 27 odd in some numbers you can take that's all it means all three are possible like that option D that is next one. Consider the following statement in respect of two natural numbers p and q such that p is a prime number and q is a composite number. Okay. And consider the following statements in respect of two natural numbers p and q. P and q are the natural numbers such that p is a prime number, q is a composite number. Okay, same type question again this is. P into Q can be odd number. Are question na? I think.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right. Same, different one, but looks like same. P into Q can be odd number.
Sir, key answers also B negative, sir. The previous question.
ಹೌದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡಿ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ consider the following statement in respect of two natural numbers p and q such that p is a prime number, q is a composite number. Say p very simple and p into q prime into q composite number can be so that is any possibility like that. P into q is what like you can take 2 into if you take odd number ಬರಬೇಕು odd number ಅಂದರೆ take 3 3 into 9 27 yes one is okay p into q if you take p is if you take 2 this is a composite number, this is the prime number This is the prime number and this is the...
Sir, last time I can be odd.
Yes, that's fine, same thing. If you take any composite number,
3
you can
into
take
9 money, sir.
3,
3 into 9.
either 3 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ 9 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ
Odd.
27. This is an odd number. One okay. And another statement
9 by 3, 3 prime.
like Q by P.
9 by 3.
Q by P. Even if you take Q, we have taken 9 here. 9 by 3
3 prime.
is a 3. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್. There is a possibility. Okay.
2 plus
And P plus Q.
2 plus
Prime number ಬರಬೇಕು. 2 plus 3
5.
prime number. This is very easy.
1, 2, 3.
P plus Q is 5. It means 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. This also all 1, 2, 3. All 1, 2, 3. Okay. Option D. Right. Next. And next one. How many 5-digit prime numbers can be obtained by using all the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? These are the digits can be used. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 5 digits are written. How many 5-digit numbers can be formed? How many 5-digit prime numbers using all these digits? It means using all digits ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. All digits ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, if it is this is like ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರೀಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ 1, 3, 4, 5, 2 ಹೀಗೆ ಬರೀಬೋದು. 1, 3, 5, 4, 2 ಹೀಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆಂಗೋ ಬರೀಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇದು ನಾವು 1 plus 2, 3, 6, 10, 15. Some of the digits becomes 15 only. ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೆದ್ರು ಕೂಡ
Prime number.
no prime numbers are possible. 0. So like that. Very technical question this is. Yes. Next. A simple mathematical operation in each number of the sequence 14, 18, 20, 24, 30, 32 results in a sequence with respect to prime numbers. Which of the following is the next number in the sequence? Some pattern is there. And what is it? I'll write 14, 18, 20, 24, 30, 32. Gives primes ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Operation gives primes next number. This operation gives prime ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Operation just if you look at the numbers very closely, 14 plus 4 no, this operation gives primes ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. plus 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6, no, that is not the sequence. But this is related to the primes ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಂತೆ.
ಅದೇ
ಇವಾಗ 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್
ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅವಾಗ?
14 plus 2 square.
Okay, 14 plus 2 square. Plus 2 square. Okay.
Plus 2.
2 to the power of 1 ಅಂತಾನೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ.
Plus 2 square.
Plus 2 square. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ.
Plus 2 into 3.
2 into 3. ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
I think there is no such pattern. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಬಟ್ ಆ ಥರ ಇಲ್ಲ. It's not in the form of additions ಅಂತ. Okay. Some prime number operation ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. If you look at the numbers, I think closely is related with the 13. This is a 13. I think this is 17. 19. Something is possible here. 23. 29. 31.
Next.
It means this is a minus 1. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31.
Next prime number.
37. It means
38.
if you go reverse, 38 is the answer.
C.
Option C. I think little that is funniest part. Right, next. The smallest 3-digit prime number, 101. Okay. Yes, next. Which is always composite for any prime P. Again, like that one. Which a 2-digit prime number? 18 is 8 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
11 questions.
ಎಲ್ಲೋ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ. Which of the options is always possible from any prime number? Okay. Which is always a composite for any prime p? Composite ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. p square you can take 2 square plus 1 5. ಅದು composite. Composite. Now 2p say 7. Like if you take with the composite number ಅಂತೇಳಿ 3 square plus 1. ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ತೊಗೋಬೋದಲ್ಲ 3 p is 3 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ 3 square ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಟು ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅವಾಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 2p plus 3 2 into 2 4 3 ನೋ ಆಮೇಲೆ 2p plus 1 2 into 2 plus 1 pre what is that option D you can take p to the power of 2p minus 2p p to the power of 2p minus 2p ಅದು ಪವರ್ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಇದೊಂದೇ ನೋಡಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆ ಮೂರೂ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಾಗಿ ಇದೇ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋ ಕೆಲಸನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಲ್ 3 is not possible like that is okay next one you can take factors of 1 not that are primes prime factors what are the prime of 1 not LCM you can take like that like 227 397 337 right 2 square into 3 to the power of 3 but what are the prime factors 2 and 3 that's all there are 2 factors factorization andre this is prime factors andre only prime 2 and 3 it's like there are 2
sir andre very 2 and 3 are the factors which are prime numbers anta
ಅಷ್ಟೇ
ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲ
this is the equal value factorization factorization is equal value
so ಇವಾಗ 7 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ 2 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 7 ಏನ ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ 2 3 7
yes 237 numbers what are the prime factors if you take exponents value that is equal factorization value you are dividing the value into the factorization LHS equal to RHS but only the prime factors is like that yeah next one you can take sum of primes between 58 and 68 okay very very ordinary question for us is very ordinary question like 59 plus 61 plus 63 64 67 that's all 187 okay so that is option is now we can take prime numbers between 100 and 200 I think you have to make it a note of this is this question is also asked means there may be a possibility of coming anytime but we have learnt only prime numbers up to 100 now up to 200 we have not learnt it you have to make a point that is you can take 21 you have to make a point that 1 to 100 and 1 to 101 to 200 also there are 21 like that because asked means anytime it is possible for even CSAT also just like that now ratio of maximum x plus y to minimum of x minus I think this is again integers type question that is I think ratios but we didn't do that question or ಎರಡು question ಮಾಡಿ that is
ratios are next question next chapter
okay ratios and ratio of maximum value, there are two equations are there. One is what? 4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 8. 2 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 7. Less than 2 by 7, 2 by 7, 4x 8, right. These are the two equations are there. Ratio of maximum value of x plus y to x minus y.
Minimum x minus y.
This is the maximum
minimum.
x plus y, okay, is to minimum, ತುಂಬ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, x minus y. I think we have to adapt very carefully. This is what do you write? That is for that.
So y is lesser than or equals to y. X max value 8. X minimum value 4.
First, let us talk about the maximum value of x and y.
Yes, sir. Maximum value of x and y.
Maximum value. What is the maximum value of x?
8.
8 can be taken. That's right. Because equals it is
Equals 8.
8 plus y.
7.
Maximum value of y, you can take 7, right? And it means this is 15 is 2. Now, minimum value of x.
4.
4 ತಗೋಬೋದಾ?
ಸರ್, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 4 ಗಿಂತ ಲೆಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗೋದಂತ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. 4 ಸರ್. 4 ಪ್ಲಸ್
yes, okay, right. I am not saying properly.
4
y
minus 2.
Minus
2.
y minimum value y, but ಇಲ್ಲಿ see, x plus y is not a problem. ಈಗ if you take 2, ಇನ್ನು 2 ಕಿಂತ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗಲ್ವಾ? If you take 4 minus 2 ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊತೀವಲ್ವ? If you take 4 minus 2 ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಇದು 2 ಆಯಿತು, 15:2 ಅಂತ. 15/2, okay, that also can be. But ಅಲ್ಲಿ minus 15 is also there. Very problem, none of this also is there. Alva? Very dangerous. The minus value, minimum minus value means maximum value can be taken. Even it can be taken, that is y value can be taken. Minus is, since this is a minus, you can also increase this minus 7. It means minus 3. And 15 by minus 3. 5.
Sir, I'm back.
That is, you can take
Sir, because
something like
sir, step by step divide ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಣ.
Yes.
ಇವಾಗ just first step ಬರೀ ಸರ್. 2 is greater than or equal to y ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ ಸರ್. 2 is greater than or equal to y ಬರೀರಿ ಸರ್.
Lesser than ಅದು.
ಸರ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ, lesser than
ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್. ಆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 2 is y is greater than or equal to 2 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬರೆಯೋಣ ಸರ್. ಬರೀರಿ ಸರ್.
Possible values you can write.
2.
Possible value. Yes. 2.
3. Goes on. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. ಇವಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಸರ್. y is lesser than or equals to 7.
y is lesser than or equal to
7.
7.
So possible values. 7, 6. 5, 4 goes on.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ.
So ಇವಾಗ from both statement we can conclude that y lies between 2 and 7 ಅಂತ.
Yes.
So the minimum possible value of y is 2. So 4 minus 2.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೋದು ಅಂತ
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್
ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಅವಾಗ 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಅವಾಗ 2
15/2.
ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಸ್ 15/2 ಅಂತ.
ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ.
ಬಟ್ -15 ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ದೇರ್.
ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಲೆಸ್ಸರ್ ದೆನ್ 2 ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ -2 ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ
-15 ಅಂತ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ದೇರ್. ಬಟ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ 2 ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ yeah, they can take 15/2. The what is option?
B.
B is that. Now
Next.
Now a person X wants X to distribute spends. Direct equation ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವರೇ.
ಸರ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ. ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್.
ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಈವನ್.
ಯಾ
150 ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಏನೋ ಬಂತು.
Now remainder rule. Correct. Yeah. Remainder rule you can take divided by 6 remainder. What is the remainder? Plus 9 to the power of 4, 9 to the power of 5, plus 9 to the power of 6, plus 9 to the power of 7, plus 9 to the power of 8 and so on, 9 to the power of 100. Okay, so divided by 6, what is the remainder?
ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್. 27/6. ಅಲ್ಲ 27 ಅಲ್ಲ 81/6. Three plus 3, 9. Plus 2 plus 3. Sir, 9 plus 12 plus.
Just okay, so you can check for 2-3 numbers. Okay, 9 cube is what? All right, what is a 9 cube? What is a 9 cube? 729. Alva, I'm just telling. 9 cube is what? 729.
9 into 9 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್.
ಎಸ್ ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಐಡಿಯಾ. ಬಟ್ 6 ನಾವು 18 6 ಒಂದು 6 2 6 1 ಬಟ್ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 3. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ 9 to the power of 4 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 729
ಸರ್
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ
ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೋದಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. 9 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ನ 9 into 9 into 9 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 6 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 3 plus 3 plus 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಅದೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಸ್ ರೈಟ್. 9 into 9 into 9. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 9 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ?
ಬೈ
6 ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಆಗಿ 3 into 3 into 3
27.
ಅಗೇನ್ 3 into 3 27. ಓಕೆ, 3 into 3 9, ಅಗೇನ್ 3 into 3 9, 9/3 3 ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 3. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಅಂಡ್ 3 into 3 9, 9/6 3 ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್. 3 into 3 9 ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 6. ಓಕೆ, ಟೇಕ್ ಅನದರ್ ಒನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. 9 into just ಒಂದೆರಡು ಮೂರು ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡೂ ದಟ್
3 into 3 9.
Yes 6. It means 3 now like again 3 into 3 9.
3 into 3 ನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Yes.
3 into 3 9. 3 into 3 9. 3 into 3
3 ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಎಲ್ಲಕ್ಕೂ 3 ನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
3 ನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಿನಿಶ್. That's only very idea. Okay, not too much of thinking. ಒಂದೆರಡು ಮೂರು if you try finish it, finish it. 9 cube means we write like this. 3 into 3 9. Okay, again 3 into 9 3 into 3 9 3 into 3 9. Okay, 3 9. That's all. Anything 3 1. That's a very easy one. That is okay. Like 85, 87, 88. You can take 85 into 87 into 89 into 91 into 95 into 96 divisible by 100. What is the remainder?
0 because multiples of 25 ಇಲ್ಲ.
Okay, we can ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ every all number except this all are odd numbers only. One thing. This is the one is there. Or you can split this also, even 25 into 4 also can take. It means 4 24s. ಆವಾಗ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0. Take 0 is a remainder.
ಅದು 25 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
Even you can take even 5 also you can take.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, 25 into 4 ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
Yeah.
Okay, 4 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಯಿತು.
Yes.
25 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, 0 ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್, whole is 0.
We'll get that. Only we check to one small number one like that. And
25 ಯಾರು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಯಾವುದು?
25.
You can take 25 ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್
ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 0.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ನಾವು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 424.
4 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಯಿತು.
Okay.
25 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ 520s ತೊಗೊಬೇಡೋಣ, ಇದು 590s ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಬೋಣ. ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ಸ್ 0 ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
20 into 5 ಸರ್?
520s and 517. Okay, 517. But this 85 is completed. Remainder 0 alva. 85 by 100 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ರೈಟ್. 517 ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
ಸರ್ 517 ಕೆಳಗಡೆ
20.
17 by 20.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಲ್ಲ. ಸಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ 3 into 4 into 7 divided by 5. What is the remainder? It's like that. What is the remainder? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇದು -2, 3 by 5 -2, 4 by 5 -1 plus 2
-1 ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್.
ಆವಾಗ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 2 into 1 2, 2 into 2 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಇಸ್ 4 ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್
ಅದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು 5 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಇದು
ಅದು 5
ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್? 80/5. ಎಸ್ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸಿ ದಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 80/5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? 80/5 ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್? ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಿ ದಟ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್, ಹೈಲಿ ಇಂಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್. ಆರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ದಿ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ದಿ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್. 5 into 7 35, 9 ಎಲ್ಲ 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ರೈಟ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಿ you can say multiply the unit digits. Or 5 into 7 35. ಯಾವಾಗ 5 ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ 5 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ 25. 5 into 6 30. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆವಾಗ 30 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 0 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೊ 0 ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್ ದ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಇಸ್ 0. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ. ಆರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಲಿಟ್ಲ್ ಮೋರ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 100 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಯು ಮೇ ಗೆಟ್ ಡೌಟ್ ಇಯರ್. 5 into 7 ಎಷ್ಟು? 5 into 7 35. 35 into 9 is 2 35. 5 into 7 you can do for 5 into 7 into 9 into 1 into 5 into 6. Do it. ಮಾಡಿ. 35 into 9 ಮಾಡಿ. Yeah, right. 0, yes, that's right. You are 0. Yes, Ganesh, correct. 0 is the remainder. Only multiply the unit digits if you have any doubt like that. 5 into 7, 35. 35 into 9 is
9450.
9450. Divided by 100. Correct? All right. and now we can take, okay, 0 and 0 gets cancelled, you can key also, that is okay, like or you can take ನಮಗೆ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ 9450 by 100, correct? What is the remainder then? What is the remainder by 100? 9450 by 100 ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 50 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ವಿಗನ್ 50 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 50 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 50 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ 50 ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ವಾಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಟೇಕನ್ ಅವಾಗ? ವಾಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಟೇಕನ್? 0 ಅಂತಲೇ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇಫ್ ದೆರ್ ಆರ್ 2 numbers we can think of like that. ಹೌದು, ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ 1 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. 0 1 See, you have to take some other examples of it. Like there is no other method. There is no other method. Otherwise you cannot.
85 into 87 into 89 into 91 ಅದು 20 into 5 ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. 5
into other method. If you go by the rule book, what happens now? 85 into 87 into 89, you cannot do that. 91 into 95 into 96 by 100 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, if you go by the rule book, what happens now? 85 by 100 ಅಂತಂದರೆ -15 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ -13 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ -11 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು -9 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು -5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು -4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Now it is done. Now you have to calculate all these things now.
15, 13, 11, 9, 5, 4.
Minus into minus, plus into minus, plus minus, minus plus. Anywhere you will get the plus value only. You will get the plus value. Now, take that. 15 into 13 is
minus 57.
minus 50, minus value ಬರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus, minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, sorry, minus into minus, plus value ಬರುತ್ತೆ. minus value ಬರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, because there are 6. ಏನಾದರೂ ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 1 2 3 4 5 6 ಮತ್ತು ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಅಂತ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್, ಇಂಟು ಲೈಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಇಂಟು ಮಾಡಿ. ಯು ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿ ದಟ್. 15 into 13 into 11 into 9 into 5 into 4.
Now okay sir.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು?
3,86,100.
3,86,100 by 100.
Now 0.
ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 0. ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಯು ಆರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್. The first question 0 is not possible. This that 3 is the correct one.
ಸರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಇವಾಗ 15 into 15 into 13 into 11 into 9 into 5 into 4 ಕೆಳಗಡೆ 25 into 4 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, that's it. Or you can multiply the unit digits also.
ಅದು ಬೇಡ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ 25 into 4 ಬರ್ತದೆ ಸರ್.
ಅದೇ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ.
4 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
This can be written as 25 into 4.
4 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Right.
4 cancel. 5 1s are 5 5s are. If 5 1s are 5 3s are. Now remainder 0.
ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 0 ಒಂದಕ್ಕೆ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 0 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ
ಸರ್. ಬಟ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಒಂದು ನೋಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಎ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡೂ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಎಸ್ Now 91, 92, what is the remainder rule? 93, 90,000 divided by 1000. What is the remainder? 91 into 92 into 93 into what is this is 99 divided by 1261. What is the remainder? What is the remainder? Yeah. See here, Mr. Ganesh, you can see here the 0 you are telling option is 0, but 0 is not the correct one. This is a very right approaching method. What I have shown here, that is. For example, if it is like that, 9 to the power of 1 by 6. What is the remainder? You can see 9 by 6. 9 by 6 is remainder is what? 3. Right. If you take 9 square by 6, it means 9 into 9 by 6. Right. You can take, it means 3 and 3. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 by 6. Remainder is 3. Again, see that. If you take 9 cube already I have written here. 9 to the power of 4 I have written here. Even if you take 9 to the power of 5 by 6, it means straight away you can do, so much you cannot do. And say 9 by 6. What is 9 by 6? That is 3. 3 to the power of 5 you can take like that. What is the 3 to the power of 5? 3 cube is 27, 81, 243. And 243 by 6. See that remainder is 3. If you keep doing, it will happen the same only. Okay. So option D is the correct one. You corrected that. Now you can see this is over. This is the thing. What is the remainder? $1,261 is there. If you take like the number. But 91, 92, 93 very consecutive numbers. Okay. And if you take the multiply the unit digits, 1 into 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, it will happen. What happens now? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6. What will happen like that? What will happen then if we multiply the unit digits? Yeah, you get 729 by 6, remainder is 3. And 9 to the power of 4 by 6, we get remainder, we get other 3. 3 plus 3 is 6, get cancelled by 6. No, it is not correct. You check it for yourself, that is. It's not. Somewhere you are going wrong there. Right.
So 3,22,000.
Some number it always goes like that. What is the thing? How much?
3,22,880. Sir, I'll cross check. 3,62,880.
3 lakh.
62,880.
66,000.
62,880.
880. By 1,261.
1,261 X split ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್. Factors.
So that's why this is the remainder.
One last. 7 3 70.
10. Third question is 0. Yeah, right. Right, you can see. Yeah, Ganesh, you are right. That is 0 is the remainder. Okay. Now, what is it? 91, 92, 93 means you can multiply the unit digits. You multiply the unit digits, you will know that is 1000 to 6. How to split is a very task, that is. Remainder you get. For example, if you take 91 into 92, what is the value you can take? 91 into 92 is what? 91 into 92. Just I am asking, 91 into 92, what is the value? 8372. By 1261 is possible, you can see that.
Yes.
Yes, it's not possible. But on what basis it is here? Remainder is possible, no problem. But you can say unit digits, you can take 1 into, 2 into, 3 into, 4 into, 5 into, 6 into. What will happen? Already one 0 comes here. Remainder. You can keep that is a remainder. That's all. But 1260, why it is given, still I do not know. Now, 3000, what is this? 3 to the power of 2019 divisible by 10. Andre 3 to the power of 219 by 10. What is the remainder? Remainder is what? Right.
For cyclicity.
Cyclicity you can take like that.
2019 by 4.
What is the cyclicity of 3, 4? No? So, like 2019 by 4. It means you can take 3 terms is a cycle there.
3 power 3.
Yeah, it means 3 to the power of 3 by 10. Okay. And see the what is the 3 cube? 27. 27 by 10. What is the remainder? 7. You can take the remainder. Right. Right now you can see option, what option you can see? C. And now this you can see that this is also same type of question, but I think this looks easier. 51 into 27 into 35 into 62 into 75 by 100. What is the remainder? Remainder now you have to see. There are 2 digits also there. 50 is there. Now what you have to do now? What you do now? All big numbers you cannot multiplication is not possible. Multiplication are you can multiply the unit digits. So 1 into 7 into 5 into 2 into 5 is that like 735, 70, 350. 350 by 100. Then remainder becomes 50. Remainder becomes 50. This can be done. Because all 51, 27 you cannot take. 50, even I will tell you 50, 20. See, why I will tell you that? It means you can see, here you can see, imagine why one unit digits is taken. If I try to write neatly, 51 can be written as 50 plus 1, okay, into 20 plus 7 into 30 plus 5, right, into 60 plus 2. 60 plus 2, okay, and 75 into 70 plus 5. I'll tell you one thing, this is a logic you get. We have done only with the this one, 1 into 7 into 5 into, we have done this is correct, okay, we get that. But 50 into 20, 50 into 20 is how much?
10,000.
In hundreds only will come. So divided by 100, anywhere it will go, that is. That's why we don't take. Like 50 into 20 into 30, if any two, that number of zeros will be there. 2 zeros, 3 zeros, 4 zeros, 5 zeros, it will come. Again, that number is completely divisible by 100. So we have done with only the unit digits. Right. Next one. The 7 is the right one. Okay, yes. Next, a 2-digit number is reversed. A 2-digit number is reversed. The larger of the two numbers is divided by the smaller one. What is the largest possible remainder? What is the largest possible number? A 2-digit number is reversed. Any number is reversed. The largest of the number is divided by the smaller one. What is the largest possible? What is the possible is telling. That's what. You can take, how you take then, what is the largest possible you can take? Bigger numbers you can take. 91 minus 19 is what? 91 minus the difference is 8 is 72. Remainder is asking, okay. Even if you take 91 by 19, what is the possible remainder? 1. But you can see there are 9, 27, 36, 45. What is the largest remainder? If you take largest remainder 45, okay, this is what is this is largest, no? Right. What is the difference between reversing the digits of the number is what? Difference must be between, there are 5 9s. It will take 95 you can take. Or 80, 94 you can take. Difference between the digits is 5. If you take 8, this is 3. If you take 7, 2, 6, 1. Okay. 5 we don't take. Now we can see, 94. Reversing the digits is what? 49, 38, 27 and 16. Now 94 by divisible by smaller number. It means 49 source. Okay, that qualifies. And now this is okay. Now if you take this number 83 by 38, 45.
Sir, ಅಂದಾಗು 45 by 9 ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ? So ಎರಡರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ 5 ಅಂತ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
Because the numbers are given like that. 9, 27, 30, multiples of 9.
Hint.
Hint ಅಷ್ಟೇ. It's a hint. The hint is given. Again it's a 45. So like you can take equal 45, this also 45. 72 divisible by 27. Avagidu see that 27, 3, 81, no, 2, 50, 4, 81, no, right, 38, I think this is not possible, right. Now we can take 61, 16, 48, something like it will come. That is a possible. You can take option D is the right one.
The number is 94 and 80.
If numbers are asked. Then ask. Yeah, you can see that. Now we can see what is the remainder obtained when something is divisible by 12. It says that 14, 21 into 14, 23 into 14, 25 divisible by 12.
3.
What is the remainder?
3.
How do you get to 3?
Unit digit.
1 into 3, 3 into 5, 15.
15
So
by
3.
12.
Yeah, because this is also single digit, there is no such problem. So 1 into 2, sorry,
3 into 5.
unit digit you can take. 1 into 3 into 5 by 12. It means 3, 15. 15 by 12. So remainder is 3. Right. Okay. And option is what? C. Right. Now, 17 to the power of 200 divisible by 18. Remainder. What is the remainder? So remainder. Right. Now divided by 18, what is the minus 1 you can take? Na? Minus 1 to the power of 200 by 18 you can take. And what is the minus? Minus 1, minus into minus plus it will become. Anywhere it will get that 1 you can do. 1 straight away. Option is 1. Option A. Option A. Right. Now 19 to the power of 100 divisible by 20. What is the remainder? 100 divisible by 20. Anywhere again this is minus 1 to the power of 100 by 20. This is the even number. Naturally you will get 1 is the remainder. Option B. Okay, this you get this now?
Yes,
Getting this is now you can see this is 67 to the power of 67 plus 67 divided by 68. What is the remainder? Right. 67 to the power of 67 you can take minus 1 minus 1 to the power of 67 plus 67 by 68. Minus 1 is the odd number is there. Minus 1 plus 67 by 68. It means
minus 1.
now we can take 66. So, option D. What is that?
So minus 1.
Because 67 by 68 you can take. 67 by 68 minus 1. Minus 1 to the power of 67. The odd number is there. Minus value will come. So minus 1 plus 67 is there. Difference is 66. 66
If it is 68 means plus 1 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
68.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, minus 1 to the power 68 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ plus 1.
Plus 1 will become. Even numbers, no? Minus into minus plus. Yes, little.
Yes, it should be careful.
Yes. It's like that, 67. If you take plus 1, that's right. Now you can take find the remainder on dividing 9 to the power of 16. 9 to the power of 16 plus 6 divisible by 8. What is the remainder? Right. Again, see, it's a very simple one. No? 1 to the power of 16 plus 6 by 8.
Minus 1, sir. Correct.
And 7 by
8.
8. Of course, 7 you can take remainder. Remainder is what? 7. Option B. Option B. Right. Next. 25 to the power of 25 is divided by 26. 66 is correct. Yes, Ganesh, that's right.
1.
And for this question, 25 to the power of 25 divisible by 26.
25.
What is the remainder? It means minus 1 to the power of 25 by 26. It means odd number is there. Minus 1. Minus 1 by 26. You should be subtracted from this, no? And 26 minus 1 is 25.
25 remainder.
Remainder is 25. Okay. When the minus value should be subtracted from the denominator. Like that. (25 to the power of 25). Now what? Okay.
Correct.
25 by 26. Okay. No, I'm just checking whether I went wrong somewhere like that. Okay, that's right. 25. Right, next. I think some yellow wrong answer. I think.
Sir, the last logic correct.
No, this one.
Yes, sir, correct.
I think.
Answer what, sir?
25 to the power of 25 by 26. But 24 anta ide. Why it is like that? Any addition second take. Minus 1 to the power of 25. Plus into minus only will come. That's right. You can take. Just to see. This only will come. Why it is like that?
25 is the answer.
Okay, that's right. I checked it correct.
Correct, sir.
Sometimes saying will go wrong. 16 minus 1 divisible by which of the number? Okay, this I think this like 2 to the power of 16 minus 1 is this. Like you can take 4, or you can take 2 to the power of 4 into 4 by number. Which number? 2 to the power of 4 is what?
32.
32. 32 to the power of 4 is what?
32 na 16.
Which number is what?
16, sir.
16. 16. 16 to the power of 4. 16 to the power of 4 by which number?
16 by 11.
Like
5 to the power of 4.
16 square is 256, na?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಇವಾಗ
16 into 16 into 16 into 16. Which number is possible?
5 to the power 4.
11 divide ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 5 into 5 25, 25 13 19. I think you have to do the calculation. I think minus 1 is there, na? Right. Don't take like this. Minus 1 is there. 16 16 to the power of 4 is what? 16 square 256. Some more number. I think instead of writing this is a very big number, you can take 2 to the power of any other number. 2 cube you can take 3, 4, 4, like
2 power 8 into 2.
2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, okay, 1024, 2048, 4096, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, okay, 12, like 8,192, and 16,000, like 384, next
Sir, 2 power 8 into 2.
minus 1. It means 32777. Which number you have?
777 divided by 12.
21.
13 into something.
10, 17. 17 9 పోతే little tricky one. 13. What is that? Actually, that is 2 to the power of 60 minus divided by. You have to see that numbers only. 32, like 32,777. Little clerical job this is. 11, if we take, if we try with 11, okay, what will happen? 3 plus 17 minus 9. No, it is not possible. Try with 13. It's not possible. Now let us try. 13, 2s are 26, 67, 13 5s are 52, 10, 107. No, it is not possible. And try with 17. 17, 117, 157. I think something we tried now. 17, 2s are 34. No, 117 you can take. 15. 17 9s are 153. Okay. 447. 17 2s are 14. 34 and 37. No. 17 9s are 133. Yes, this will qualify. Right. 17. Option C you can take. Little clerical.
133, sir.
17 9s.
47 minus 34. 47 minus 34.
Yeah. 19 into 7, that is no, something. What this value is correct, alva?
137. 3, 2, 7, 7, 7.
Little clerical job this is, a very clerical job. Like you can take 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
16 years, sir.
Oh, very clerical job that is. See, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14, 16 is there, that is actually.
Sir, ನೀವು ಮುಂಚೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
Yeah, but see, that is a very clerical job this is.
Sir, 2 power 4 into 4 ಅಂತ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Okay, even that's what I'm telling. 2 to the power of 4.
To the power 4.
Yes, 4.
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
2 power 4 by 11 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು.
2 to the power of 4.
By ಒಂದೇ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದು. 2 power 4 is 16 ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್? 16 by 11.
Okay.
16 by 11
5
to the power 4.
5 to the power of 4 means 5 cube 125.
125 into 5.
125 into 5 is what?
5 into 10, 25. 5 to 13, 725.
725. 725 by 7 to
724 by 11.
7 to 5. No, it is not possible. No?
Next one, sir. 13.
Yes, you can do with 13. 13 ಅವಾಗ 2 to the power of 4 ಎಷ್ಟದ 16. 16 by 13 3 to the power of 4 3 is not possible ಅಲ್ವಾ. ನಾವು 17 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 2 to the power of 4 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ? 2 to the power of
16 into 2.
16 to the power of 4 by 17 ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 17 ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಲೈಕ್ -1 to the power of 4, it means 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Yes, this is the correct method. This is very correct method. It's going like that. Somewhere it is taking. Yes. 1 minus 1. Yes, 0. That's right. So the divisible by 17. You are right. Somebody is answering in the online class. Okay. Now next number. I think this last question. A number divided by 68. A number divided by 68. Quotient is 269 and remainder is 0. If the same number is divided by 67, the remainder is slightly, you have to do a clerical job. Number is divisible by 68. N by 68. This remainder is 0 and quotient is 269. Same n by 67, then remainder is question mark. Okay, I think ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು. ಎನಿವೆ ಅದೇ ಎಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎನ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ನಂಬರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್, ಡಿವೈಸರ್ ಇಂಟು ಕೋಶೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡಿವೈಸರ್? 68 is the divisor. 68. Quotient is given 269. Remainder is 0. Like okay, anywhere. Quotient is given 269.
9 is 72.
It's a very big number. That is quite very big number. 68 into 269 by 67. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ದ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್. ನೋ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡೂ ದಿಸ್.
68 into 261.
You got it, no? Number, don't you see here? Number you got it, no? Number. You got this is the number. You have to multiply. Very big number. Same number divisible by 60. Write like this. Okay. And it means 68 by 67 is what?
Minus 1. Remainder 1. 1 into 269 by 67.
Yes, then becomes 269. What is being asked here? Remainder is asking. Alva? What is the remainder then? You have to do this, no? 269 by 67 you have to do now. 267.
Once a remainder.
67 you have to do. What is the remainder? 1. Bharata? Right.
67.
See.
4s are 268.
269 by 67.
4s are.
4 times. 4 7s are 28.
268.
24, 26. Remainder is 1. That's right. Adu. Okay. This is if you start calculating means. Yes, that is right. 17. That is okay. 17 is the correct one. Yes, 17 is that is the answer. Option is over. Yeah, fine. We shall assemble again on Monday.